This is the color changing of milk. You will need a milk plate, watercolors, a stick, and liquid. Number 1. Pour the milk into the plate. Number 2. Take the watercolor and then put it in the plate, in the center of the plate.
Enough. Enough.
Number 3. Put the stick in the liquid.
Dishwashing liquid.
In the dishwashing liquid. Number 4. Put it in the center. ఇంకా రావట్లా
Pettu.
ఇంకా మిడిల్లో పెట్టు
Yes.
లోపలికి ప్రెస్ చేయి మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేట్
Mm.
Now try it at the corner. Try it at the corner.
Adi, try again. Mm. Now try here.
Corner. The corners రావట్లా
Acha. See, it's moving. Yes. Liquid. Take some liquid. Dishwashing liquid. You have to try at the colors. Okay.
I just need to add.
Oh, enough. Now you explain. Now you explain how this is happening.
తీసుకోవచ్చా ఎట్లా చెప్పాలా
Now you explain.
ఎట్లా చెప్పాలా
Well, it's it, right? Advi,
Tell what
what is there in
what
the
milk contains.
The milk contains the food coloring.
Not food coloring.
Contains the water, fat, and protein. Next. Detection